Good morning, everyone. So we're just in the hotel where we stayed, and there's a random room with a doorbell. And Shailene is gonna doorbell ditch it because I dared her.
No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not gonna push it.
Welcome to the boring part of Utah.
Well, one of the boring parts of Utah.
Yes. Actually, most other places are like beautiful and stuff.
I still think this
like,
is cool though.
Like this is like the, what they call like the salt flats. It's like where, it's like over here it's like just salt. And not actually, we're a little ways away from it, but.
Like if you look out right on this side, all this white stuff is all just salt.
Yeah. So, like what they do is that's like where they break like land speed records, like so like the fastest car ever, they'll bring it out here and they'll race on it and they'll get going ridiculously fast. And so there's nothing out here at all.
Say it again. You are eating crackers, yep. You guys, that was seriously so cute. As soon as I pulled the camera out, he goes, "Hi!" like really loud. It was really cute. Anyways, I am off to the church. I got a meeting. Jackson has to come with me though because Daddy's busy. He's getting his emissions and inspections done on his car. We had to replace the tires in Daddy's car. So that's going to be expensive. Anyways, and then tonight, not 100% sure what our plans are. Thought about maybe going into town. Maybe we'll just stay home and hang out. Not quite sure, but we are getting gone up out of here. Bye. All right, we're done with Scouts. It was fun. We, what did we do? We, played a game, and then we went outside and picked up trash and talked about energy, electricity in your home. Kind of fun. A little bit weird, but it was kind of fun. Hey, turn around. Where's Daddy? Hey, listen to Mom. Where's Dad? Go get him. Go run and give him a great big squeeze. Do it. Do it.
Okay, it's movie night. So we just went grocery shopping and got a couple things, actually a lot of things because we were running empty on groceries. And then we picked up a movie. And we downloaded it on our computer finally. So we're gonna watch Big Hero 6. This is a movie that Jax always watches and he will watch the whole thing. I mean, he hasn't seen this one yet, so hopefully he likes it. We haven't seen it either. So,
I've seen it.
You like it?
It's good.
Jax, he does know because all of his cousins, they go, blah, la, la, la. Do it. Yeah, we don't really know what that means, but we know that it happens in the movie. That's about all we know. So we're gonna have a movie night. We never have movie nights.
Movie night.
If you like, remember from a couple of vlogs ago, probably about a week ago, we told you that we never watch movies. We haven't been to like movies. We've been like a couple since we've been married. So we were gonna change that. Right, Shay?
Right. Seriously, these boys are so stinking cute. They're up here jumping and brushing teeth. What are you guys doing?
Should we show them what we did? Okay, let's show Mom.
What'd you do?
Ready? Okay, ready? Jump. Jump. Jump!
Whoa! That's crazy. Brush brush up, brush up, brush up. Brush up, brush up, brush up.
Ready?
They're so silly.
Ready? Jump!
Hold on. You ready? Jump!
Jump! Ready? Jump again.
Okay, one more time.
Again.
Try. Jump.
Whoa!
Wow! Okay, now do it to Daddy. Stand over there. Okay, ready? Ready to jump to Daddy? Okay, ready? 1, 2,
He does it himself.
3, jump.
We love jumping. Is that not the cutest bum you've ever seen? Bare cheeks.
Are you ready? Ready? Get your fingers ready. Okay. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Yay!
High five!
I have the cutest wife and son in the world. Oh my gosh.
Mommy on the
The
bus.
bus goes. Shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus goes all through the town.
The baby on
the bus goes. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. The mommy on the bus goes. All through the town.
Now I know
Jump.
my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Do it again. Jump.
Bounce again. Boy. Okay, Puppy's there. Owlie's up in his spot. Okay, ready? Oh, Puppy moved. We gotta put Puppy back in his spot. Okay, there. Okay, cuddle. Cuddle. Hurry, cuddle. There you go. Okay. All right.
He always sleeps on his side.
There you go. He's like his mama, huh? Sleep on your side every night. Okay. We love you. Would you like your fan on? Okay. Nope. Lay down. Lay down.
Lay down, we'll turn on the fan.
on. If you have to lay down first, though. Okay, good job. I love you. Okay,
Say good night, buddy.
Good night. We love you.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace
Bye.
out.